Hello friends, I'm back with another pattern printing tutorial in C programming. To get latest update, please subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button that appear at bottom right corner. Or you can visit my channel by typing www.youtube.com/SlideHunt. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to print these three right angle triangle patterns. The logic for all these three patterns are same. So first we write the code for one pattern, and then we see how can we get other two patterns from first one by changing a few statements. So first we print this pattern. Let's see how it looks to the screen. Here we divide the whole screen into rows and columns. These are the rows and these are the columns. If you see the pattern carefully, you can find out numbers are printed in increasing order. In first row it means one number, in second row it means two numbers, in third row it means three numbers, and so on. To print this format, we need two loops. One for rows, means how many rows you want to print. If you want to print 5 rows, then we can write the loop as for row equal to 1, row less equal to 5, and then row plus plus. Now you can see here, in each row multiple numbers are printed. In second row it prints 2 numbers, in third row it prints 3 numbers, in fourth row it prints 4 numbers, and so on. So to print multiple numbers in each row, we need another loop, and we can write it as for column equal to 1. Now we need to write the termination condition, means how many times the loop will execute, and that is equal to the current row number. You can see here in second row it prints 2 numbers, means this loop will execute 2 times. In third row it prints 3 numbers, means for third row the loop will execute 3 times. So we can write the termination condition as column less equal to row. Here row indicates current row number. Then we increment the column by 1. Okay, let's move to the coding section. Here first we need to declare some variables. For that I'm gonna write a int row column insert call and n. Next I'm gonna ask user how many rows they want to print. Printf, please enter the row number. Now we need to read the input number. For that I'm gonna use the scanf function. Scanf %d, and here %n. Now we start the looping procedure. Outer loop will run for row. For that I'm gonna write a for row equal to 1, row less equal to n, and then row plus plus. Inside this loop we need to write another loop that will print multiple numbers in each row. For that I'm gonna write a for column equal to 1, column less equal to row, and then column plus plus. Add here a semicolon. Okay. Now we need to print the numbers. You can see here numbers are printed in each row is equal to the current row number. For second row it print all 2's, for third row it print all 3's, and so on. So here we print row, printf %d, and here we refer row. After printing a row we need to go to the next line. For that we need to print here a new line, printf \n. Okay, our program is completed. Let's check the output. Compile and run. As you can see here, it asks for the row number. I'm gonna enter 4, and the output is this. Add here a space so that the output looks better. It is optional. If you don't want, you can drop it. Let's check the output again. Compile and run. Enter the row number. I'm gonna enter 5 and the output is this. Okay, now we try to print this format. If we compare this one with the first format, you can see all the things are same. The only difference is the numbers printed in each row starting from 1 and go up to the current row number. For second row it will print 1 and 2. For third row it will print 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, for fourth row it will print 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many numbers are printed in each row is depend on the inner for loop, or the loop that will runs for the column. And the loop is this. You can see here every time this loop begins with 1 and go up to the current row number. So here we need to print the column number instead of row. So I'm gonna write here column. Let's check the output. Compile and run. Please enter the row number. I'm gonna enter 4 and the output is this. In first row it print 1. In second row again it start from 1 and go up to the 2. In third row it print 1, 2 and 3. In fourth row it print 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we try to print this format. Here you can see the numbers are incremented continuously. In first row it print 1. In second row it start from the next number, that is 2, 3. In third row it print 4, 5, 6. In fourth row it prints 7, 8, 9, 10 and this procedure is continue. Let's try to print this format. So here we need a variable that will hold the value. I'm gonna declare here a variable temp and initialize it to 1. And here we print the value of the variable temp and then increment this variable by 1, temp plus plus. Compile and run. I'm gonna enter 4. Now you can see here the output. First it print 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this procedure is continue. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Till then, take care and keep learning.